Hey guys, this is Fundo on Rancho Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Nosipho confessed to Pastor Gwala about Kazmulo's suicide attempt and treating. He told Pastor Gwala that Kazmulo eat the peanuts so that he will look like Nosipho does not want him. And Pastor Gwala is stressed about Kazimulo, while Nkonzi wants to punish Pastor Gwala about Kazimulo harm. Mamlambo enlightened Nkonzi that he has already lost Kapsile, and it seems like Nkonzi does not want to accept that Kapsile is moving on, while Kapsile is back from Cape Town and agreed to give Nkonzi some answers. And it seems like Kapsile, it is difficult to choose between Konzi and Mtambisi. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.